Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and this is my unboxing and review for the AirPods Pro, which is available to purchase on apple.com. And this is one of the fantastic headphones, guys, which you can buy from Apple. So if you own an iPhone, this is the best headphones I can suggest. And do you think I recommend this particular product absolutely for this money? If you have uh, a lot of money to spend on a headphone, then you can definitely go. As you can see, we have this AirPods Pro over here and nicely wrapped packaging. Always Apple does a great job with their packaging and all. And let's see what's there in the box, guys. So after removing this particular plastic, we have the lightning to type C cable, which we get with iPhones these days. And this is almost the same which we get it. And these headphones come up with the active noise cancellation, one of the reason why I purchased it. So this is again the air tips. Also guys, if you are new to this particular channel, please hit that subscribe button, helps my channel a lot, and which again motivates me to do this kind of awesome videos for y'all. And please share this particular video and also hit that particular like button. uh, and if you can see over here, the AirPods Pro, they are one of the best looking headphones I feel in terms of quality, design, fit. So I really like the Pro model compared to the regular ones, and I'd been using the normal ones for quite a bit, and I had been also using these headphones, the Pro model, which belongs to a friend of mine. So after using this particular Pro model from him, I decided to order this for myself. And one of the best headphones which you get if you have the Apple phone or any iPhone for that matter. And the reason why I got this, guys, only because of this awesome active noise cancellation. And even the pairing is quite bit simple. You just open this particular you know the top cover, and then okay, you need to turn on the Bluetooth, and then you will be getting that notification where it want to connect. And the pairing process is seamless, guys. You just have to click on this particular connect and it get automatically connected. This is an awesome thing which I really like about the AirPods, again the original AirPods and the AirPods Pro. So again, I'd been using this for quite a bit, and it is very comfortable, guys. When you are listening to music for I almost listen to music for about 1 hour. And so, and later on, I never had any issues with these particular headphones. And heating is also not an issue like most of the people were complaining, I guess, to me. And the build is superb, guys. If I can just show you over here, this got that other speaker grill over here, and these prongs which are there below, they are there for the charging part. So this goes inside the case and it charges it. And let me also know how is the video quality in the comments below. Do you like it, or we should shift to something like a DSLR? Because primarily I'm shooting this particular video on iPhone 11, and this is how it looks. We got a small tiny button over here, and once we remove it from the case, it have this. So I'll just show you again the pairing process, guys. Once I'm connected over here, inside this settings, once you go, then you will be getting that particular prompt for pairing it. And once you get this particular prompt, you just have to press the connect button over here, and once you are connected, it will be showing you various menus regarding this. So the pairing is very seamless. Do you use any AirPods, or if so, please let me know in the comments below, guys. So once you click on this, it will be connecting over here, and these are connected, and this will ask you the music control and stuff like this. And hey Siri, I'll just disable this, and it is going to show you the battery percentage of this. And once you click on done over here, you'll be getting the AirPods. Okay, then you have this turn until tomorrow and other options and all. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the AirPods setting, and here you have this particular noise cancelling, whether it's turned off, turn off, then transparency, mode and other left right media controls and music controls and whatnot. So all these particular settings are then shows you your serial number and build number, etc. And you can turn this particular noise cancellation off. Personally, I got this for noise cancellation, so I would leave it on for a while. And let me know how you feel about this. Even this particular connection, once you have it, it is going to show in that particular battery widget. So these headphones are awesome, guys. I had been using this, as I said, for more than 1 hour every day, and I had no issues with it. So only time, if you have a lot of cash to burn on it, you can go for it, but it is not highly recommended, because there are other headphones also for that particular price range which you get it, and this cost you around 23 to 24 on offers. Definitely on something like Big Billion Day or something, some similar offers, you will be getting this for a very lot less, guys, maybe around 16 to 18,000. So if the price is almost, if you're getting for a half rate, like around 12,000, 15,000, then definitely you can check this out. But again, guys, I'm not recommending this for most of the people who are on a tight budget. So the seamless connection, which I really like, and the active noise cancellation and the fit finish, and after just, I think, charging this particular earphones for just 5 minutes, you can listen to 1 hour, I guess. So got that quick charge kind of thing. I'm not so sure about it, so if anybody have uh, some knowledge about it, please comment in the below. Let me just check how is the charging, guys. So this also comes with a wireless charger, guys, and with this particular wireless charging case, I really like how on the go you can charge this just by placing this on a wireless charger or a stand. You all can see the lights are glowing, blinking blue. So this shows that these AirPods Pro are getting charged. And this is very simple, guys. Just open it, use it, and then it is just a hassle-free free experience with Apple products, guys, usually. So once you keep it on the wireless charger, it will start charging it. So, and also there are phones like Samsung which can reverse charge it, so I guess it might also work with that. So this is what I really like about Apple products generally. The charging, etc., the experience is smooth. Again, guys, most of the people had issues with this connecting and all. So what you just need to do is turn on the Bluetooth and just close this particular cap and open it again, and then you'll be able to check out all this. So thanks for watching this particular video, guys, and see you in my next video.